Hi, I'm Chris, and welcome to SIRENNET Television. While visiting Star Cars, Stuart had a chance to catch up with the boys while they were in the process of upfitting a Ford F250 with a very nice amber lighting safety package. So for those amongst you who may be outfitting the same truck or something similar, utilizing products from Whelen Engineering and SoundOff Signal, the Vertex is a great example for front and rear mount. We'll give you a look now at how the truck's been accessorized.
Radio off of here, so it's B+, but then all the triggers go here.
Is that for those switches?
Yeah. So like I've got left alley, right alley, takedown, rear takedown, and that I was going to fuse here. Travis already hooked them up to the switches, but I was going to take the ignition trigger here,
okay,
and put it on.
Oh yeah, okay, that sounds good. We can use that. If they didn't, there's a fuse block over there, or there's probably one right under the hood we could
tie into.
Grab ignition from there.
Okay, yeah, I just didn't remember, so I was like, hey, just leave me a couple feet. Worst case, I can run it back through the firewall.
Oh, the lower lights? Lower LEDs?
That's probably what it was. Yeah.
Like those tied in with the back ones?
Yeah.
Okay.
The notepad is, but yeah, okay, cool. I just wanted to make sure.
Alright.
Trying to keep it the same. Helpful. Grab.
Run the camera and cable.
Okay.
So this.
No, we can hook it up, give it a test. That's with some spare.
Take out first.
Because we had the swivel knob. Okay. The bottom's out on.
A great combination of Whelen Engineering and SoundOff Signal products. The Liberty 2 Lightbar on the roof, Vertexes on the front grille and tailgate with those nice chrome bezels, and that trick Ford-specific kit from SoundOff with the ghost lights on the hood and the intersectors in the third brake light housing. So a wonderful job again by the hard-working guys that are Star Cars. Well, I'm Chris. Thanks for joining us here on SIRENNET Television. We'll see you next time.